The new Toyota Fortuner facelift model has arrived in two variants, namely Standard and Legender. The new 2021 Toyota Fortuner facelift, as one would typically expect, gets noticeable visual updates. The Legender looks more premium than the Standard variant with a more Lexus-like front fascia. The new 2021 model gets revised bumpers that now look more muscular along with a new set of LED headlamps that give a more prominent look. The alloy wheel design is also new, while the overall silhouette of the car remains the same. While the Legender trim gets split 5-spoke dual-tone alloy wheels, the Standard model comes with split 6-spoke single-shade wheels. Coming to the rear, the new 2021 model also gets new tail lamps and reworked bumpers that lend the SUV a fresher look. Now moving inside the cabin of the new 2021 Toyota Fortuner, the SUV now gets a new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto support. Moreover, you get bits like LED ambient lighting along with an updated instrument cluster, a multifunctional steering wheel, and ventilated and electrically adjustable front seats. Moreover, you get a wireless charger for your smartphone along with a 9-speaker JBL audio system. The new Toyota Fortuner facelift continues to source power from the same BS6 compliant petrol and diesel engines. The petrol variants are powered by the 2.7-liter 4-cylinder petrol motor that puts out 164 brake horsepower and 245 Nm of peak torque. Then is the 2.8-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine that has been remapped to churn out 201 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of peak torque. Transmission options will include a 6-speed manual gearbox and 6-speed sequential automatic torque converter unit. As mentioned earlier, the diesel engine also gets the 4-wheel drive variant with 2-wheel, 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low range.